There's a rejuvenating and refreshing island blanketed in white. This wondrous world brings a sense of inner peace to adventurers like you who travel to Japan. As you continue to explore new terrain in this country in spring, summer, or fall, the stresses of life begin to melt away. Explore Japan in any season. Bring the colors of your soul to life. Throughout Kyoto, walk the paths less traveled, and you'll find spectacular scenery and phenomenal food. Ride a bike and find local tastes of Japan, like sake and seafood. The people going about their everyday lives brings a fascinating sense of curiosity to this colorful corner of Japan. Ferry away from the hustle and big city bustle and set foot on Okinawa, an island in Japan's far south. Yambaru National Park in the island's north is a forested area full of mangroves and mountains where people and nature coexist in harmony. The traditional diet and lifestyle of Okinawa shows us the way we were meant to live. Wind and walk the Michinoku Coastal Trail as you move north to Tohoku. It's a place that teaches you the philosophy of life. Your faraway friend comes to mind at a mountain temple, and you write a note. The rustling of the trees, the sounds of the wind and the waves. What will this environment that fills our senses teach us? Further west, head to the Hiroshima and Shimane area. It's here where you'll encounter the ancient culture that is still thriving today in Japan. Immerse yourself in Japanese traditions in kominka folk homes as you connect with the locals. Hear their legends firsthand and taste the cuisine of this region. Listen to the roar of the waves and let stillness overcome you as you gaze upon the distant Seto Inland Sea. Going from Japan's extreme south to the furthest northern island of Hokkaido, you'll discover an expanse of snow and ice lures you in. Walk across snowfields on a trip to the less-known eastern parts. Experience Japanese adventure at the ends of the earth. There's a myriad of winter activities. Let your heart catch up with your head in the peacefulness of snow. This is the place we call home. Welcome to Japan.